Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm doing another head-to-head unboxing between the Ipsy Glambag and the Play by Sephora box. I've actually had the Ipsy Glambag for like a week and a half, and I've been waiting for the Play by Sephora box for way too long to put them up against each other. So I finally got this in the mail yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox or unbag these and see which one is better or if they're both good. So I can't remember last time which one I started with, so I'm just gonna start with the Ipsy Glambag. And off the bat, we have two sheet masks, and these are by Jeju. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This is Bananas, which is a hydrating mask, and You Can't Handle This sheet, which is a purifying mask. They are 15 to 20 minutes. Love that. I don't love masks that are too long. And then one more thing that's outside of the bag is a makeup brush, and this is Slmissglam, I think, SB68. If I could get in here. And it's kind of a nice, could be a concealer or an eyeshadow brush to pack on color. It's very nice. I like that the inside is like glittery and jelly, super cute. Okay, now finally getting into the bag. Got a nice striped pattern going on with this month's. First things first is by Tarte. It is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Fair Sand. Fair Sand. I don't know. Yeah, okay, so it is sealed. I don't know how I feel about the yellow undertones. I think I'm going to donate this, but I actually was just told to try this foundation out, so we'll see what I'm going to do with that. I'm not quite sure yet. Next is from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. It is the Starmint Glossy Balm. And who can't use a good chapstick or balm this time of year? Oh, it smells really nice. Smells very minty. This will probably live on my nightstand. Last is from Hola Neon. I have never heard of that company before. It is a velvet liquid lipstick. Matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. Free of parabens, glutens, and phthalates. It is the shade DF. Ooh, so it's like a nice, deep mauve shade. Swatch this on my hand. That is pretty, and it's supposed to dry down matte. Doesn't smell like anything, which is great. Love that. Okay, so there's also a little card that comes with it, and it says you can now add up to 3 extra samples to your glam bag each month with add-ons and score new fab full-size steals with Glambag Plus. Ooh, I did not know there was a Glambag Plus. I'm gonna have to look into that. And they're rolling out a new beauty quiz to learn more about which products you want each month. So that is awesome. I will make sure to take that quiz and look into the Glambag Plus. So my favorites out of this one, definitely the masks, and I would say the chapstick. So moving on. Okay, now moving on to the Play by Sephora box. Okay, as always, you get your 50 bonus beauty insider points. As always, it comes in this plastic bag. Dig in. The first thing is by Sunday Riley. It is the C.E.O. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This says it is a fast-absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten skin. And it comes in a little tube that is 0.17 fluid ounces. Ooh, next is 3 Things by Sigmatic. It is the Mushroom Golden Latte Mix. It says beautify with shiitake and turmeric. Very cool. So you get 3 of these, and it is a drinkable blend of natural ingredients that delivers a glow from within radiance. Next is from Laneige. It is the Water Sleeping Mask. Love it, love it. This guy is 0.3 ounces. Quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates while you sleep. Definitely need this. Ooh, it just smells like spa. It smells really nice. Oh, it feels nice. It's lightweight, doesn't feel thick or cakey or anything like that. And then from Bite Beauty, there is a little trial size, a little travel trial size, whatever you want to call it, Agave lip balm and Agave sugar lip scrub. I know this is like teeny tiny, but I'm gonna donate this guy because I actually have the Agave lip balm on my nightstand and the lip mask in my bathroom and the sugar scrub in my bathroom. And then from Beauty Blender, it is the Solid Pro Cleanser. I have the original, but the Pro version is charcoal infused. And then last is from Bite Beauty. It is a matte creme lip crayon in the shade Glace. I have no idea how to pronounce it. This is a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. Ooh, I like how it's nice and pointy. Ooh my gosh, that feels really, really soft. Very pretty. Bite Beauty has some really good stuff and it's very moisturizing. Okay, so if I had to pick which box I liked better, I kind of feel like it's a tie. I'm not super duper excited about either one of these. I don't hate them, but I'm not flipping out and loving them like I did last month. From the Ipsy bag, love the masks. From the Sephora bag, I am interested in the Mushroom Golden Latte Mix, and everything else is just kind of a wash. So I feel like after all the hype of the holidays, this just isn't as exciting. So maybe after all of your holiday spending, this might not be a bad month to skip. It's not terrible, but it's not great. But that is just my opinion. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.